Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadaria and today I am going to teach you how to find HCF of two terms and three terms by Euclid's division algorithm. Guys, by Euclid's division algorithm we are going to find out the HCF of two terms and HCF of three terms when three terms are given. So these questions are not given in NCERT but this will come in examination, so I thought to share with you. Let us start. So by Euclid's division algorithm, if you want to find out HCF, first of all you should know what is Euclid's division lemma. This is A is equals to BQ plus R. This is Euclid's division lemma. When we are using this continuously, that becomes algorithm. Okay, so let us start what we need to do. First of all, we need to select the greater number and divide the greater number by smaller number 1032, and if I will multiply this 272, so I think if I will multiply this with 4, then that number will be greater, so multiply with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry 3 2s are 6, 7 8 8. So now if you will subtract 12 minus 6, 6, 2 minus 1 will give you 1, and 10 minus 8 will give you 2. So now we need to write down this division in the form of Euclid's division lemma. So let me tell you, 1032 equals to 272 into 3, this is your quotient, plus a remainder. Okay, this is Euclid's division lemma when we are using this continuously. Now what you need to do, take this term as your new A, 272, and this remainder as your B. Now you have to divide it again. Let me do it here. 272 we have to take it here, and we need to divide 272 by 216. So 216 ones are 216. Subtract this, so 12 minus 6 will give you 6, 6 minus 1 5. So again 216 into 1 plus your remainder will be 56. So now again you take this term as your A and this remainder as your B. Again we need to divide 56 and here 216. If you will multiply with 4, so I think 54s are 200 and 6 4s are 2, that will be 224, that is greater, so we are going to multiply with 3. 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 15 and 16, so 16 minus 8 will give you 8, 10 minus 6 48, so 56 3s are plus remainder is 48. Okay, now we need to take this 48 here, 56 here, and we need to divide that with 48. So 56, so 48 ones are 48, and the remainder will be 8. So into 1 plus 8. Now divide this 48 by 8. So continuously you have to divide and like this, and at one point what you will get here when you will divide, 8 is here and 48 you are taking here, 8 6 are 48. So at one point you will get 8 6 are 48 plus remainder 0. Whenever you are getting your remainder 0, at that time what will be, or what, by what term you are dividing, that term will be your HCF, or at that time whatever divisor you are having, that will be your HCF. So HCF of this is 8. So you just need to continuously divide this and keep it in Euclid's division lemma form. This is rough work, guys. I had shown here to show you how you can do, and this is the proper method by which you can show the HCF is 8 by Euclid's division algorithm. Now whenever three terms are given to you, let us go for this question. Here 3 terms are given to you. So again you need to select the greater number, and then you can divide that greater term with any of this. I am going to take 120. So I am going to divide 252 with 120. Let me do it here. 252 by 120. I think 120 2s are 240 will come here. So the remainder will be 2 and 112. So 2s are plus 12 will be the remainder. Okay, now take this as your A and this as your B. So I can see directly 12 tens are 120 and the remainder is 0. So this is the HCF of these two, but we don't want HCF of these two. We want HCF of all these 3 terms. So now what you need to do, you need to divide whatever HCF you are getting of this 2 term, by that you need to divide the third term. So now we are going to divide 108 by 12. Let us see what will happen. 108 by 12. So directly 12 nines are 108. So here 12 nines are 108 and the remainder is 0. So this term, whatever you are getting here, if further division is possible, you have to further divide, and whatever term will come when you are getting remainder 0, that will be your HCF. So here also we are getting 12, and by that also we are getting 12 only. So the HCF is 12, guys. If further division is possible and if you are getting some other term here equals to 0, means remainder 0 at that time, so you need to tell that that term is your HCF, guys. Here we are getting 12 as the HCF in this 3 term. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please follow me on this channel and also follow me on Unacademy, guys. On Unacademy I am taking free live lectures. So what you need to do, you need to just download the Unacademy app and then register with the mobile number. Then you need to select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC. This is your goal, and in that goal you need to use one referral code. Use this referral code, guys, Galaxy Coaching. For free classes also this code will be helpful, and for plus subscription also this code will help you, and you will get 10% discount on the subscription fees with this code, guys. So join me now on Unacademy also. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys.